Now students, managing footers. So like header, footer is also a section of the document that appears at the bottom of the margin. The text entered in the footer will appear on each page of the document, but the difference is that it will appear at the bottom. All right, that is the thing. So how to do this? First of all, you have to open a new document in MS Word, then select the insert tab on the ribbon as you are seeing, then click on the drop down arrow of the footer option. In the header and footer group, drop down list will appear with a menu and styles and all. So afterwards you will be able to enter the footer. All right, like in header, as we have seen that you can also insert the date and time, page numbers and pictures in the footer area. Also the process is similar, only the option will change. Okay, now watch the steps for managing footers. For managing footer, students, what you have to do, first of all, we have to open a new document. So document has been opened. Okay, and insert tab, go to the ribbon. All right, so place your cursor before inserting the footer, otherwise it will be inserted as header. Okay, so bring the cursor down, down to the bottom of your bottom of the page of your document. All right, so now we will click out here. All right, now you see how to do this. Insert, I'm go to the insert, then I'm go to the footer option out here. Okay, and then a lot of footer styles are there. Okay, otherwise you can download also if you want. I can just do this one as element. Okay, element. All right, so what is happening, this particular footer is already having the page number. Since you are in the page number 2, so the page number 1, in this way the footer has been inserted. All right, this is the header and this is the footer already inserted, because the style is like that. All right, so I am choosing this one as, and I'm editing this one out here. So you can see out here, a little bit. I'll type out here. Suppose say you want to write the telephone number in each page. So tel number say 9932044567. All right, this is the telephone number that should appear. So once entering, what you can do is you can enter it out here. You can press escape as you are shown, and then it appear, the particular thing will be saved as footer. All right. So if you want to come out of it, and then this is the header also. Header also you can insert say TIGPS Siliguri. Okay, so some style you can give also. This is the header and footer style you can say. Okay, so that is the thing. So I'm going to the home tab and making it red and then making it a little bigger. Okay, CIDPS Siliguri. So then what is happening when this one will be finished, then press escape. Then what is happening, a total page has been made. Okay, in this way. So the header footer, where the header footer, both the things have been appeared. Okay, TIGPS, and this is your footer. All right, so if you want to edit the footer area, so I'm pressing another document, I'm going. Okay, and say I'm doing what, I'm coming down over here, insert, that is actually the header and footer combined. Okay, so I'm pressing enter out here. To insert the footer, only footer this time. You see how to do this. Okay, see, uh, going over there and then going insert and then choosing footer. Okay, footer options are there. Suppose it is the blank footer out here, so the only the blank footers has been appeared. So here I want to insert date and time. Okay, date and time inserting, I'm inserting like this. Okay, click on OK. All right, and then taking the cursor over here, and what I will do, I will insert the page number also out here, the bottom of the page. Okay, so let's see, one minute. Okay, so in this one I'm choosing out here. Okay, so what is happening, so the page number has been inserted. So once the page number has been inserted out here, okay, then you can go for date and time also over here. Okay, so I'm inserting this one, click on OK. So it will remain out here. So first you enter the page number, then you go for date and time. So if you are pressing out here any alignment icon, say from home, and that way also you can place at the right aligned icon, so it will also be aligned as you have done. And if you want some color and all, okay, what can you do, in the same way from the home tab you can also color it. Okay, so you can do it in this way also. Okay, and the thing is that if you want to place this at the center, in fact, so you can do it in this way also. All right, so both the things will be centered. Okay, and say if you want to bring it down, okay, place it over here, so it will bring it down, so the insert footer has to come down. And if you want to place it at the right, you in this way, so the page number has been inserted in the center and the date and time has been inserted at the right. So this is the means like almost same like same like header, how to insert header, how to manage pictures and all the things and all. So that is the way. Okay, so not the difference, only the footer will appear at the bottom of the page. That is only the difference, and you will find this one also under the insert, under the header and footer group and header and footer option. And if you want to come out of it in the same manner, you can go there and close header and footer option. Click on close header and footer option under the close group. Fine. So if you close it, it will be closed out here. And if you want to remove the footer, how to do it? Insert, go to the header and footer group. In the footer group also you can come down. Here also you are having the remove footer, edit footer, remove footer. Okay, remove footer, the footer will be removed. So now you have seen all the steps and all, and this video will definitely help you out in order to managing header and footers both. All right, so watch it and implement it properly. Okay, thank you.